All right, so let's talk about the alley-oop in NBA 2K23 My Career. It's one of those flashy moves that gets the adrenaline pumping in game, and yet many players struggle to pull it off seamlessly. And so trust me, when you nail it, you'll feel that rush. First, let's break it down. Basic mechanics are key. You need to be in control of a player with high passing and lob city finisher stats. And so these stats are like the secret sauce that makes spraying and alley-oop look effortless. And don't skimp on them. Timing is everything. Pressing the lob cast button at the right moment can mean the difference between a dazzling alley-oop and a shameful turnover. It's like threading a needle while riding a unicycle. Tricky at first, but it comes with practice. Now let's set the stage. You want to initiate the alley-oop when your teammate is cutting to the basket. Imagine it like a dance. You're setting up your partner to shine, and pay attention to their movement on the court. And a great rule of thumb is to use the pick and roll move to create space. This sucker has been a staple in basketball for eons because it just works. And the pick creates an opening, giving you that perfect alley-oop window. And here's a pro tip. Always aim to execute your alley-oop in transition plays. Fast breaks are alley-oop. They leave defenders scrambling like kids in a candy store. It's your sweet spot for turning a regular play into highlight material. Pain point alert, many players make the mistake of trying alley-oops in heavy traffic. You're not a circus performer hoop jumping through fire rings here, but avoid congested areas unless you want to hand the ball over to the defense on a silver platter. The angle matters. Think geometry, but in sneakers. A straight line to the basket minimizes the chance of an interception. Visualize that clear path before launching that pass. It's like lining up a perfect shot. And let's talk about that alley-oop button combo again. And you're going to want to nail pressing it at the exact rhythm. It's a symphony, not a solo act. Get those fingers used to the dance, my friend. For those stubborn moments when alley-oops aren't working, double check your player's fatigue. Running on empty will ruin timing and accuracy faster than a 2-day-old donut. Keep energy in reserve for these spectacular plays. Practice makes perfect. Head to the MyCourt to work on your lob timing with different teammates. Experiment with varying angles and distances. Basketball is a creative game, much like crafting the perfect pizza here in Portland. And the final pièce de résistance. A little fist pump, a nod of confidence. You've earned it. It's not just about winning, but winning with style and maybe a touch of flash.